We've had firecrackers off and on the menu for about 4 years. They've always been super popular. This time they're coming back with a twist. Instead of us doing feisty feta, we're doing a pimento cheese that we make in-house. Put some crispy crumbled bacon on top, and then we're adding that Mike's Hot Honey. Our firecrackers have a sweet chili aioli. We put more sriracha just to add a little bit more of a kick. And people ask why we haven't fried them. So when they were on the menu originally, we didn't have a fryer. People love them roasted, so why would we change them now? We top it with balsamic glaze, which is a reduced down balsamic vinegar, which adds sweetness. It kind of tastes like candy almost. Who doesn't like bacon, cheese, and jalapenos all together? It's delicious.